Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to delete files or folders that cannot be deleted in Windows 11, 10, 8, 7. Open command prompt. Type rd space, /s space, /q space, \\\, question mark \, double quote. Copy and paste folder path. Type \. Press F2 and Ctrl-C key to copy folder path and paste it into command window. Type double quote and press Enter key. Folder deleted successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.